Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from your videos using Clipchamp. If you have recently added the background on your Clipchamp and don't know how to remove the background, this tutorial is for you. So keep on watching the video until the end. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now tap onto the project video that you have just added the background to and open it. Now here you can find there is a background on the video. Now simply tap onto the background video itself like this. Now scroll until the end to your right and here you can find the option of delete. Simply select it. Now the background has been removed from your video. And that's it. This is how you can remove the background from your video using Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.